After sleeping in a historical house, it was time to go further to a place I actually had really strong emotions to. Okay, so today we are leaving this beautiful building. Look at this. Nice. I like it. So we're leaving, unfortunately. It's been really interesting, and I cannot really record like anywhere else because people are sleeping and the sound goes really well. Feels like it was haunted a little bit. Anyway, so I'm gonna just finish my tea, and today we're going to go to a couple of places, one being Edoras. If you watch Lord of the Rings, you know which one it is. And other one, I actually got an idea from Mary where to go. So this is totally where I'm gonna go. Looks like a good place for FPV and drones. So with this, let's just drink and let's go. Okay, let's go. Today we're seeing Edoras, as well as probably a really good drone spot. We'll see how long we're gonna take at Edoras and how many batteries I'm gonna fly there. Because I think I'm gonna fly Edoras. If I'm not gonna fly Edoras, this trip is just nonsense, isn't it? Oh, and also remember that there was a cow. I will hope that the cow is okay. Please tell me the cow is okay. Anyway, let's get to it and start our drive. We're just 2 hours away. It's great. Hear me out. I found this. It is beautiful. And it's totally asking for it. You know what's gonna happen, right? So starting the day with a little mountain dive, not the worst thing. I enjoyed it. Now we were going to Edoras, so I left 2 batteries for Edoras because I have just 4 batteries with me, and I'm kind of like don't want to waste them. I also have 3 Mavic batteries, so we have a little bit of flying. I also have the Scenic one, but we'll see. Anyway, let's get to Edoras because my Google Maps says it's gonna take us a while. You know, the trip is getting good when the road is finishing and you are on this thing. It's getting good. Now give me Edoras. I changed my mind. I want to have a house here, on this hill. You may think that I'm just over-exaggerating, but I really come from the world in which this is not possible to see or to get to New Zealand. I don't know how to explain it. Like as a child, I really wanted to see it. As an adult too, but it was always just out of reach. And I didn't know in which world I would be able to see it, and it makes me so proud of myself. I know it's weird and you may not understand, but that's okay. I'm just know that I'm really proud of how far I've come and that I made this thing happen. I know you'd think that I should be happy to see it, and trust me, that those are tears of joy. I cannot just explain it.
So the situation at the moment is I'm a little bit afraid of cows. I've been chased by more than enough to be afraid of them. And it seems like they are moving them now. And this is the entrance to Edoras. So I'm gonna just wait here. Afraid. Really afraid. There's things going on. Jesus Christ. Okay, so they are taking them farther away. Oh my gosh. This is good, because when I saw that they were older, I was like, nah, not gonna happen. Is this gonna be the end? But it seems like I'm gonna be fine as long as they take them away. I'm gonna just wait a little bit to turn on the car and everything, not to scare them or anything. I think it's a valid thing to do. And things are happening there, yeah. Okay, now that the cows are gone, we can go towards Edoras. Look at this. It's gonna be a little bit of a walk, but I actually just packed pretty lightly. Took the bare minimum with me, you know, 2 drones, stuff like that, a bottle of water, a dress, things like that. So yeah, let's go. I'm excited. I'm pretty sure that people of Rohan had really good cardio capabilities. I don't. Oh my god, this is way harder than I anticipated, and it's still so far. Well, okay, we're halfway there. We got this, and now we've gonna go there. I actually just want to fly my drones from there. And jeez, okay, yeah. People of Edoras, really good views. You're probably not leaving much, because leaving means you have to go this thing again. I wouldn't go. I'd be like, I live here forever now. Oh, and before you go after me saying, oh, you're spending so much time at the gym, I'm doing strength stuff, not cardio. I need to do more cardio, I'm aware of that. Oh my gosh, yeah. Coming back to Ireland, I'm going for like a treadmill, uphill. Yeah, I need that. Oh my gosh. And now I look at the parking lot and I know I need to go back there. And I'm like, phew, we managed. I'm at the peak. Even the peak got kind of tired. So, oh, look at this view. Wait, so I think that was a nest of bees or wasps, and I'm allergic, so I just saw them on the floor and I was like, nope. I'm gonna record it from here, look. Ah, Edoras, beautiful. And that was an amazing place for some epic shots. And FPV, because why not? I forgot the top antennas, but I have those, so it should allow me to do enough, hopefully. Damn it! I don't know how it happened. Jeez. So disappointed with myself for getting those antennas. I mean, I don't know what to do. Like, I'm gonna just fly a Mavic, do some nice B-roll for you. And otherwise, I think we're gonna fly from downstairs there to do like a little dive of Edoras. I think that's the only thing we can do, considering that I have just patch antennas. And I was already having a lag and losing vision a little bit when I was going down there. So I was like, nah. But if we stay down there and dive this mountain here, that should actually work. So we're gonna work with what we have, yeah? Pro tip, if you want to do a photo shoot for yourself or some content, come in early, because now that I'm out, like, there's so many people all of a sudden. So I came in at the right time, and I'm coming back this more drastic road, and I'm actually happy that I didn't pick it to go up because I was dying up. But anyway, that's done. I tried to do like Edoras themed pictures. So I had a dress, white one, that's the only thing I had. So next time I think I would start with Auckland and actually get in like some cosplay clothing and swords at Veta workshop, which is something that we're gonna go and visit a little bit later, and then go south, because then we're gonna have a lot of props for all of those photo shoots. Makes sense? Makes sense, hopefully. So yeah, now let's go down. We got juice and a cake. It's good. Cold juice to feel good, and then hot green tea to get some energy. We are really pushing it, and I'm slowly getting tired. So yeah, we're 15 minutes away from it, and the time is more or less right. I think it's like 5 p.m. Usually I'm arriving at the hotel like 6, 7 p.m. It's like my top thing, because I'm trying not to drive too much, considering the fact that I'm the only driver, I'm the only person in here. Me and a lot of cameras. I think that's kind of reasonable. Like, I actually think I drove a lot today anyway. But we're gonna get that, so don't worry about it. So yeah, we're gonna get to the place called Pudding Hill Lodge, and the pictures were like really nice. And to be fair, like, I've been sleeping so like a dead person for a really long time right now, so I'm just falling asleep like that. Probably a lot of fresh air does this to me, and movement. So yeah, I really actually hope to spend some time outside, maybe in the night, although the sunset here is so late. The sunset here is like 9:40 p.m. and I'm usually sleeping at 10, so it's like, it's pretty drastic. So yeah, I hope that maybe I will get to see some of the night sky tonight. That would be nice. Maybe if I wake up in the middle of the night, I'll just look out, be like, oh, it's pretty, and go to sleep again. So, good news is, I found it. So, we're going up. Ta-da! It actually has like 3 rooms, so let me give you a bit of a tour. This is the bedroom, which is like just bedroom. Nothing interesting. Some dining area, so there's a table and a little bit of a cooking stuff and a fridge, which is important. Then we're going to the bathroom. I hoped for a bathtub, but I may be spoiled. And another room that I thought like, oh, I didn't remember that it had like 2 bedrooms, but it doesn't. So there's like a couch area in here. So that's how it looks like. And then I think I'm gonna go and spend my morning here, drinking my tea. Little balcony overlooking the mountains. I like it. It's nice. Look at this. I wonder where the sunset is. And the sunrise. Important questions, you know. And then it was time for some well-deserved rest before we hit the road again.